Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. At my kitchen bar, I have a smart device and some items I keep around it for quick access. But I've come to dislike the cluttered look and want my device to be a little bit taller. So today I'm going to make a quick solution to declutter the counter and add a stand for my smart device. First, I cut up a cardboard box to draw out a template. The stand sits right in the corner, so I knew I wanted to work within that space. I found a good size, but decided to cut the edges off as it would stick out too much. Looks pretty good. Next, I decided what height I wanted it to be, making sure that my glasses case would fit inside the box, which is about 2 inches. I had some scrap 1/4 inch birch plywood panel that I'm going to be using. I used the template as a guide and used a small saw to cut the 2 triangle pieces. I used a miter saw to cut the edges off. I had a scrap piece of 2-inch panel that I needed one 45-degree angle that I cut on the miter saw. This is where the angles are going to be. Then I cut the rest of the surround with straight cuts. The top is going to have a drawer that hinges open, so I cut that on the table saw. Take into account the thickness of the blade, as that will shorten your overall project size, which I didn't realize at the time, so I had to cut everything down just a little bit. With all the cuts made, I glued all the sides and the top and let it dry overnight. I'm using Titebond Quick and Thick glue, which is better for this type of project as there's less mess and it's very sturdy. You can see I glued the top section on, as the bottom part will be hinged in place. I added some weights and let it dry. Off camera, I painted the outside white to match my kitchen cabinets, but I also wanted to leave some natural wood, so I left the drawer cover natural and sprayed it with a clear protective coating on the bottom and top. With that dry, I added little hinges to the top. I marked the holes and used a center punch to make an indentation to act as a pilot hole. Then I secured the screws and repeated the process on the other side. And here it is, all done and in place. I love the simple look this area has now, and all the storage is out of sight. I went with the white and wood design to mimic the TV stand that we made a couple years ago. This is super functional and exactly what I wanted. For more details on this project, visit our website at motherdaughterprojects.com and make sure to subscribe right here on YouTube.